Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's all about Jesus. Just walking in the mall with my homegirl. Minding our own business in our own world. Then I seen this brother, he was walking my way. And when the boy is grin, he looked at me and started to say, "What's happening, shorty? How you doing now? You know you got it going on, girl, and girl, I like your style. Girl, you so fine, you know it's all about you. Don't mean to be rude, but brother, let me tell you. Not about me, not about you, but it's all about him. So what you gonna do? 'Cause I know you ain't the one for me. See, if you don't love him, then please don't waste my time. 'Cause I know you ain't the one for me. After all I said, the brother had the nerve to stick around like I ain't said a word. So I started to turn away and walk the other way when I heard this brother say, "Hey, hey, 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 hey."
Baby girl, what you tripping about? Brother got it going on, what you flipping about? Buy your diamonds and pearls and have you flossing about. Two-tone Lex, dog, have you rolling about? Why you tripping on me when I can give you what you say? Take you out on the town, you and your girlfriends. Hey, ain't no thing to me. Got Benjamin, like the B of A, you see, I'm the man. And I can give you what you want, girl, give you what you need. If you just give me the digits, it's all about you and me.
Not
What?
about